YouTube channel. Today we will going to unbox one of the cutest, smallest and Inkless printer. So that's from Seznik, India. I always wish to have such little printer to click pictures and have an instant print. If you want to know the discount coupon code of this printer and the price of this printer, then do watch this video till end to know more about this one. And this is a must buy printer. So let's get started and unbox this mini printer. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more such amazing videos. Till then, keep creating and keep inspiring. Bye bye.